Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Meteorologist Robertson. Changing the times here. Today I came on earlier, late, and now I'm doing the afternoon forecast early, earlier than 4 o'clock. But that's okay. I just wanted to get on here because we do have some storms in our area now, but a lot of the activity that we're seeing on the radar is pushing to the eastern coast of Florida. So I wanted to track what's here before it all moves out of our area within the next hour or two. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know if you can hear me just fine. It looks like my levels should be good to go. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you're seeing any rain in your neck of the woods right now. There are really, it's not super widespread or really scattered activity, especially from Citrus all the way down to Sarasota County and then Polk. It's a little more isolated, but we are seeing some hefty showers on the radar right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to track what we're seeing at this moment. And I have a full look at your forecast too. What's ahead for the next couple of days here. All right, so zooming in. Actually, let's talk about this big old cluster, right? On this neck of the woods, this side of town, which is the Orlando area. The most of this, just ridiculous. This is pushing out of Orlando right now, which is nice, but you can really see the intensity there with just all of the lightning associated with the storm. That is a good indicator that this is a strong storm, a rowdy one. I don't believe that this is severe warned. Let me just double check here to see. Doesn't look it, no. It is not, but it is a quite the hefty storm. Lightning associated with this. I just want to just geek out here and see. Uh-oh, that's not what I want. Let's zoom back out. Thought I had hit on the lightning. There we go. This is what I want. So let's see how much is in this particular storm. Any guesses? Woo, buddy. Almost 500 lightning strikes associated with this storm, stretching from Deltona all the way down to Kissimmee. That is an electric storm. This is going to continue to push to the east. The Space Coast, you can really see where those sea breezes are kind of meeting there. You have the West Coast sea breeze making its way to the eastern coast. You can see that line kind of moving out of the Port St. Lucie area. Port St. John, not Port St. Lucie. Port St. John, Titusville. That is going to interact with this storm that is pushing to the east. And we'll see more storms develop along that line there right before it moves into the Space Coast, and then it'll push out into the eastern coast of Florida, into the Atlantic Ocean. Back here locally, that storm was a part of a really rowdy storm that just moved into northern Polk County. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Lately, it's been really quiet here in the comments section. That line I was just showing you all originated in Polk County. And there was a lot of lightning associated with that too before it moved out of the way and dissipated. It didn't last for very long, which was nice. Polk, I don't think you're really just completely done with the rain just yet. We are watching out for this particular storm here that is falling apart a little bit in northern Hillsborough County. That is pushing into Polk as we speak. But now you can see the intensity has really gone down a little bit. Still some heavier pockets of rain here and there, still some lightning here and there, but really just not as intense as it was before. But that's going to continue to push to the east as well. This continues all the way into I-4, just to the east of Tampa proper there, into the Florida State Fairgrounds, Orient Park. Moderate rain at this time. But a lot of the rain that we're seeing across our area now is kind of starting to fall apart a little bit. You can see these storms pushing into southern Hillsborough County and central Manatee County. That's some more heavy rain. Kind of around the radar area where Ruskin, the National Weather Service, you can see the rain going around that radar hole there, which is actually kind of cool. But heavy rain near Ruskin, kind of near the Willow area. Also some very heavy rain that is falling apart a little bit. You see those reds, they kind of go away a little bit, and now we're starting to see a little more yellows on the map. That does show that the storm is losing intensity. As it moves into the Foxley, Oak Knoll area, kind of around 62 there. That's where we're seeing some of the heaviest rain. Most of this rain, if not all of it, is to the east of I-75, and that's how the rest of our evening is going to be. Now, there's still some spotty showers offshore that could make their way onshore later on today, but rain chances really do dwindle down significantly as we head into the next couple of hours, especially for the coast, which is great if you have any beach plans this evening. I'm on Natalie's show, just trying to see what she has here. There we go. So that was the radar. Here's the Futurecast. This is what you can expect for the next couple of days. You can see this evening, those showers will be out of here by around 6 o'clock, or earlier than that. We're really starting to see improvements right now. So not much rain is expected over the next few hours here. Great night for a beach sunset, if you're interested in that. And then as we head into Wednesday, we get some changes, some slight changes. Wednesday is actually trending a little bit drier. Our rain chances will go down a smidge to about 30 to 40%. That is kind of a difference, and you really will see that here. And our flow does change a little bit more as we head into Wednesday. So we kind of get away from that onshore flow, and so your morning will be going back to quiet. Even though most areas were kind of quiet throughout the morning hours these last few days, but there were spottier showers at the coast. Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, your morning looks to be pretty dry, but it's not until we get into closer to lunchtime, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, we can see a few showers form close to the coast west of I-75 before a few of these showers push inland. But you can really see here, that is not a lot of coverage. We are trending a lot drier for Wednesday. We are working with some slightly drier air, at least for July standards. So that'll pull back on the rain, but of course not a lot of rain. That means more heat. It's going to be a hot today as we head into Wednesday. Today was already hot and very steamy, especially after those showers moved out of here throughout this morning. We're going to see a very similar situation tomorrow. Turning off my notifications here. I hate hearing notifications and vibrations throughout the day. I like to have it turned off. Here's the rest of your afternoon. You know, your Wednesday doesn't look bad. Your evening is not bad at all. So I really think you have a great opportunity to get outside throughout most of your Wednesday. Just, of course, stay hydrated. Thursday, very similar situation. We still have that southeasterly flow in place. That's going to bring those showers to the coast more so around 12 to 1 o'clock. So once again, more isolated showers or coverage, isolated coverage at the coast earlier on through the day. And then some spotty showers are possible through your afternoon and evening for your Thursday. Not really big rain chances as we head into Wednesday, Thursday. We start to go back up a little bit with those rain chances by the weekend, and we kind of switch to more of an easterly flow by this weekend as well. So that will definitely bring those showers towards the coast. Way later on, I'm talking about 4 o'clock into 6 o'clock, lasting potentially until 7 to 8 o'clock. So we're going to return to those late afternoon, early evening storms by the weekend. Here's our precipitable water, how much moisture is in the atmosphere, that moisture content there. You can really see those deeper greens. That does help to support way more scattered activity. And a lot of the rain that we did see today was definitely in the northern part of the state. So you can really see where those deeper greens are. That was reflected on our radar today. As we get into Wednesday, you see these yellows here. We have some slightly drier air, a little bit of the Saharan dust that we've been talking about for the last several weeks. That dust that travels from Africa, makes it all the way to Florida. Does help to suppress rain chances sometimes, or suppress those afternoon showers and storms. So we have some drier air we're working with Wednesday into Thursday. Still showers possible, but we really do trend a lot drier as we head into those days. But you can really see how that moisture makes its way back in here Friday into Saturday. That will help to support more scattered activity across the area. So our rain chances do go up by the weekend, and they stay between that 50 to 60% chance range through your Sunday here. So overall, really not much of a big change as we get into the next couple of days. But by your weekend, we're just going to return back to more of that summertime-like flow there. Tropical moisture moving back in here, leading to a few more scattered showers and storms each day this weekend. So for your Wednesday, 30% chance for rain, not bad. 94 is your high, hot, especially coupled with that humidity. Of course, today we had feel-like temperatures. Oof. triple digits before noon, around 11 o'clock. Feeling like 104 degrees in Tampa. We have that warm, moist wind coming off of the Gulf. Of course, that helps to bring up those temperatures, especially closer to the coast. And then, you know, those morning showers moved through. Some of the rain, you know, went back up, evaporated. That moisture has to go somewhere. So you really felt it when you stepped outside. Just really, really heavy air. Tomorrow, very similar situation, heavy air. Hot temperatures, heat indices in the triple digits. It's going to feel like today, Thursday, 95 degrees, Friday into Saturday. You can kind of see these temperatures. They may not seem out of the ordinary, and they're not out of the ordinary, technically, but they are a little bit above average. You have a normal temperature, 91 degrees this time of year, 95, holding on strongly, at least through Saturday. That's about a 4-degree difference there. So it will be hot. As we get into next week, still maintaining those hot temperatures, but those rain chances go back up a little bit. So we may have a better shot of seeing those cooling showers as we head into each afternoon, Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. I do want to talk about the forecasted feel-like temperatures, though, because that is interesting. Let's see. This plays out for me here. Trying to get my contours. There we go. So your Wednesday morning, and there's your Wednesday afternoon. I think this might be pulling back a little bit on it too. So feel like temperatures, heat indices, this is what your body feels compared to the air temperature. In the triple digits throughout many spots. This is going to, these numbers will probably be a little bit higher depending on where you are. Especially if you're kind of in the inland Hillsborough area, it's going to feel more like 105 as we get into the peak heat of the day, 2 o'clock, 3 to 4 o'clock. So it's going to be nice and hot over the next couple of days, and not a lot of rain to cool us off tomorrow. If you get rain at your home, you're going to be one of the luckier ones. Hey, Jamie, some people, hi. Finally, talking to some folks. How's it going? She says it's raining in Egypt Lake. And that makes sense. I'll show you the radar in just a second, but we were seeing some showers moving through there. Hi, Ronald. It's nice to hear from you. Spring Hill, you said it's a place no one talks about. It's always Tampa and St. Pete. I can talk about Spring Hill real quickly for you, Ronald. We can talk about it now on the radar. It's pretty quiet over there. Don't want to make you feel like you're left out. Let's zoom in here. There's Spring Hill. A little bit of cloud cover, not much going on right now. And as we head into the next couple of days, there is still a decent chance that around 12:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you can get one of those afternoon downpours for Wednesday into Thursday. But like I mentioned, we are trending a little bit drier. But a few showers could form along that sea breeze as we get into the start of our afternoon for you. So a little bit of rain is possible for your neck of the woods, Ronald. Other than that, it's going to be hot. It's going to be humid, quite like everywhere else here. So thanks for asking about Spring Hill. I like it when you guys ask about, you know, your particular neighborhoods. You know, I do kind of focus on Tampa and St. Pete because when no one's chatting about where they're from, I kind of focus on our bigger cities here, or our anchor cities is what I like to call them. But yeah, of course, if you guys ever have any questions about, you know, your city, we can get hyper local and we can really try to answer your questions. Egypt Lake area was definitely seeing some of that rain moving through a little earlier. Yeah, this is definitely falling apart a little bit more, a lot more, as it moves into Crystal Springs. So yeah, these storms are falling apart, which is a good thing. It's a great thing. So we can get on with our afternoon and not have to worry about dodging any of these showers. So not completely done with the rain just yet. Give it a couple more hours here. We still have a window for a few showers, but the coast is trending a lot drier. There is some residual rain, kind of in the Anna Maria area along the coast of Manatee County near the Skyway. But getting into the start of our evening, we're really gonna have a pretty decent night. Maybe a little bit of cloud cover, but we will stay pretty dry, especially at the coast. These showers, these storms, the heftiest of these storms are out of our area technically, and it is Orlando and to the east is their problem now. So kind of like these patterns here, where the morning we get the rain done, and then the afternoons we can just go outside and enjoy it. You are welcome, Ronald. It's a nice breeze. It's really hot. Yeah, it is. It really, really is. All right, I'm going to leave it on here for a little bit. I'm trying to see if... Okay, Natalie's back. I don't want to hog her computer here. I'm going to leave it on here. That's pretty much all I had for you today. If you have any questions, of course, hit me up on my page, and I can try to answer them personally. In the meantime, I'll see you all tomorrow morning at 11-ish. All right, bye.
Yeah, I talked to them for ages.